Namaste bachcho. Today we'll start with the new chapter, chapter number 2, and the name of the chapter is 12 khadi se shabd. So here 12 khadi means the symbols, the matras, and with the help of these symbols we make different words. In your textbook we'll start from page number 7. So kids, we know about the Hindi letters, that is the Varnamala. So here you can see the first two swarakshar, that is A and A. So in this class we will be discussing about the symbols of A and A, and with the help of these symbols we will be making different words. So the first one A, and it has no symbol. Next one is A, the one with the longer sound, and the symbol for A is a standing line and on the top a small sleeping line. So let's start this chapter. Chapter number 2, and the name of the chapter is 12 khadi se shabd. 12 khadi means symbols. So here we are using the symbols of A and A for making different words. We have already discussed that the first swarakshar is A and this has no symbol. Next one is A, the one with the longer sound, and its symbol is a standing line and on the top sleeping line. So here we are using a consonant, that is Ka. So this Ka is formed by the half of Ka. This is Hal symbol which represents the half form. So Ka, Hal symbol means half of Ka. Now here we are using A symbol, that means there is no symbol and we get only Ka. Next letter is A, and here we are taking a consonant, that is Ka, Hal symbol. Now here we are using the A symbol and we get Ka. So we are writing the symbol of A with Ka and we get Ka. Once again you can see here Ka is written with no symbol, and here the Ka is written with the symbol of A, the one which has a longer sound. So here we pronounce it Ka. It has a longer sound. Now let's make a word using these symbols. So here on the top you can see a word and there is a small correction. You need to correct it and write Akal, A, Ka and La. So here you can see we are not using any symbol. A swarakshar has no symbols. That's why we are using no symbols here with the consonant Ka. The word is Akal. Akal means intelligence. You can see the next word is Akar. So here the word starts with the second swarakshar, that is A, the one with the longer sound. And here with the consonant Ka we are using the symbol of A, and the word is Akar. Akar means shape. So first we will discuss few words with the symbol A, that means no symbol. So here the first word is Kanak, and you can see we are not using any symbol because A swarakshar has no symbol. Kanak. Kanak means gold. Next one, Dasan. Dasan means bite. Tapak means leak. Chaman, garden. Jaga, place. Nehar, canal. So you can see here we are not using any symbols. Next one, Hum, that means we. Mahal means palace. So these are the words with no symbol because the first swarakshar has no symbol. And here you can see a sentence, Chaman me Mahal. So here Chaman and Mahal we are not using any symbol. The meaning of this sentence is palace in the garden. Here, chaman means garden, mahal means palace. So, you need to write all these words in your notebook. So, this was the first swarakshar A ki matra. Now, the next one is the second swarakshar, that is A and its symbol. So, we write a standing line and on the top a sleeping line. Now, let us see few words. The first one is now. So, here you can see we are using A symbol with the consonant na. So, na is the Vyanjanakshar and we are using the symbol of A, that is a standing line and on the top sleeping line. The word is now, meaning boat. Next one, Jan. Jan means life. Next one, Rani. Rani means queen. Chalak, clever. Tara, and here you should correct the spelling of Tara. That is Ta, A symbol, Ra, A symbol and on the top sleeping line. Tara. Tara means star. Next one, Vachan. Vachan means reading. Next one, Sagar. Sagar means sea. Then Balak. Balak means boy. So, here you can see we are using the symbol of A, that is the standing line and on the top sleeping line. Now, here you can see a sentence. The sentence is Chalak Balak. So, here you can see we are using A ki matra and the meaning is clever boy. So, here you have an activity. You have to write all these words in your Hindi notebook and then you have to submit it. That's all for today. We will meet in the next class. Dhanyavad.